woke up around like 6:20 this morning to do some last minute studying for camp. I didn't record because I was too sleepy to like roll out of bed and like grab my camera. But now it's around like 8 o'clock in the morning and I have to get ready for school, and I want to take you along with me to like what I do today, because today's not that busy but it's sort of productive, so that's what I'm gonna do. So come along with me. Also on Monday I wore an outfit that I didn't really like, so I stopped by the bookstore and I got like a crew neck. So lifesaver. One thing I like about college is that there's like a bookstore and I can just run to it whenever I need an outfit change because I commute, you know. My room's a little dark right now, but it was good. Right now I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready for the day. So on Monday, because today's Wednesday, I took an exam, like a midterm exam for one of my business class, and I did a presentation also on one of my business class. So I'm done with those two. So today is more of like a relaxed day. I'm just gonna go in my business class and sit and listen to other people present, and then I think my other business class I'm just gonna take notes, like an everyday thing, which I dread because it's a very long class for Wednesday and it's just too much. And then last week Friday I took an exam for biology and I did pretty well in it. I just got my answers back and my professor was nice enough for us to like correct our own exam, and then like she'll like give you extra points for correcting, so I'm very grateful for that. And then I just have chemistry left to do this week. I have a quiz for chem today. I don't really understand what's going on, but I try to refresh my mind, you know, like that's why I woke up at 6 in the morning for. And then I have a lab report to write tonight, so that's what I'm gonna do basically for today. And lately I have opted for like a powder contour, and it's been easier for me than like the liquid ones because it's like I just put it on lightly, you know. I do think I need to do a Target run just because I'm running out of sunscreen and my favorite powder, so I think I should definitely do a Target run soon. Class for the day. Well, actually I finished back at 3, but then I had like an appointment with somebody, so I am done at school. I'm gonna head over to a cafe to do my lab reports and some homework, and I need to do some emailing to my professors. whatever this is over here. Or these over here.
Savory. Yeah, these are all savory.
Or there's croissants over here.
Egg bacon right here.
Oh no, so we're, oh.
Matcha. What is this? Sausage onion pastry. Mushroom pastry. Should we try it together?
Yeah. Do this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Food haul because I haven't ate all day. Well, I did. This one first. This is how it looks like on the inside. Wow, I didn't even know that. Matcha latte. Yummy. Oh no. My favorite.
Swear you put the pan like 5 different ways.
To be honest, it only tastes like a hot dog. So I took a shower break and then I have to finish my last homework for the midterms and I'm done tomorrow. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna do that. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and good night.